What if I told you right now, in this very moment, some of the absolute biggest names in the world, we are talking about Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Amazon, etc., are not just hiring but looking for you. Yes, you, college students and recent graduates. I have scoured the internet, dug through the fine prints, and found 12. Yes, 12 incredible openings, internships, and full time roles specifically tailored for fresh talent like you. In this video, we'll cover 6 opportunities, including jobs and internship in both tech and non-tech. Stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow for getting other 6 opportunities by MNC. Each segment is packed with insider tips, salary insights, and application strategies, plus a secret competition reveal at the end. You don't want to miss. Get ready to take notes and screenshots. First up, Amazon. The e-commerce giant that touches almost every aspect of our life. They are looking for software development engineer 1 roles under their university talent acquisition. You'll be building solutions that impact millions of customers, sellers, and products globally. They require a bachelor's degree or above in computer science or related fields, strong fundamentals in object-oriented design, algorithms, and data structures. Also, knowledge of C, C++, Python, Java. Amazon's culture is customer obsessed and they emphasize potential and the ability to learn. The pro tip is to highlight experience with cloud computing or AWS in your application. If you don't have one, check out the link of the free certification by AWS given in the description. Second, we have Goldman Sachs, a leading global financial services firm. They are looking for analysts in their global investment research division. Your work will be to model and present investment ideas efficiently and accurately to the clients, while ensuring that clients can access these ideas when, where, and how they choose. And you have to leverage AI to supercharge your productivity. Bachelor student in a relevant stream, followed by 2 to 3 years of work experience as a software engineer are eligible. They require the knowledge of AWS cloud, data pipelines such as Kafka, relational and non-relational databases, SOA and RESTful services, web and services frameworks such as Spring. At Goldman Sachs, they believe their engineers don't just make things, they make things possible. So, the pro tip is to show appetite for learning and passion about delivering commercial solutions innovatively. Now you'll be asking, how do we do that? The latter can be done by showcasing relevant projects in your resume. And for showcasing the appetite for learning, you can do free certifications and add them in your resume. I'll give you the link of the relevant courses in the description. If you love the thrill of stock market, this is your cup of tea. JP Morgan Summer Analyst Internship is live. You'll get exposure to corporate finance, treasury risk, and rotations across asset management, with mentorship and structured training by JP Morgan experts. You must have strong critical thinking and communication skills along with excellent analytical, quantitative, and interpersonal skills. My pro tip to qualify this internship is to stay updated on current market trends to shine in the interview. Now, before we dive into the final 3 powerhouses, I have a very important thing to ask from you all. If you're loving this, smash that like button right now. Let's get this video 1000 likes. Subscribe if you're serious about making a career. Comment and let me know which company or program excites you the most so that I can personalize my content for you all. Hey coders, this one is for you. JP Morgan also has a software engineer summer internship. You'll build production grade systems using agile methodology, chaos engineering, and fintech tools. You'll have access to continuous training, mentorship, and work on projects that directly impact the firm's technological infrastructure. This is where finance meets cutting edge tech. They are looking for enthusiastic, capable, and motivated computer science or engineering majors who want to directly contribute to their business from day one. They have also stated that no matter what your background is, they are looking for those with a strong interest in financial services and excellent coding skills. If you perform well, you will have a chance to get a pre-placement offer. Now, let's switch the gears to something with immense global impact. The International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD, works to eradicate poverty and hunger in rural areas under United Nations. They offer unique learning experiences for 6 months to recent university graduates or students currently specializing in areas relevant to their mission. This could be anything from economics to social sciences. The eligibility depends on the project you are enrolling. They have both paid internship and job opportunities listed on their website. It gives hands-on experience in international development from policy analysis to field work. The pro tip is to highlight any volunteer work, like if you're a part of NSS, NCC or any NGO, etc., or global awareness in your cover letter to stand out. This is a great resume credibility boost and global impact exposure for you all. Next up, we have Global Finance and Business Management Analyst Internship by JP Morgan. While your responsibilities will vary based on the role, you'll help generate meaningful analysis and reporting, coordinate and collaborate with partners across the firm on strategic initiatives, generate budgets and forecasts, and contribute to important projects across the business. You should have basic understanding of financial statements, accounting procedures, internal and external reporting, and variance analysis. You will have a chance to get pre-placement opportunity based on your performance. You will receive mentorship and structured training from the experts of JP Morgan. The pro tip is to highlight any Excel or data analysis skill in your application. If you don't have any way to showcase your skill, you can do the free certification given below in the description. That was a packed session with career-changing opportunities. But stay tuned for part 2 as it has more amazing internship and job opportunities from companies like Apple, Barclays, Bain & Company, etc. Subscribe now to not miss it. Comment below your thoughts and queries. I'll try solving all of them. Don't wait, grab the links in the description and apply now before the deadlines close.